Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Today with this beautiful 2021 Jeep Gladiator. This is a local one-owner truck with only 13,400 and some change miles on it. We'll go in and show you that in just a moment here. But this thing is absolutely new already with the 3-inch lift, sitting on the 35s, 20-inch wheels, spray and bed liner in the back, tow package, backup camera, and very, very well taken care of. But we actually just traded this in on a late model Corvette that we had from the original owner, of course. As you can see, the exterior is perfect. Paint and the top are in really good condition. I mean, obviously like new with just 13,000 miles on it. And of course the interior is just as well. And this does have Bluetooth, backup camera, satellite radio, 13,465 miles to be exact. Of course, remote start. And today, matter of fact, is one of those days where I'd be itching to get out in it. It's been a little chilly the last couple of weeks, and now we've got nearly 70 degrees it's supposed to get up to today. So perfect time to hop in, head south to Corolla, see some wild horses on the beach. Just go sport around town with the top down. But we've got it here for you. Holiday Motors, 3203 Victor Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. And we've got a ton of great financing options available if needed. Warranty, of course, this one's still under factory. We do have extended warranties available to go on top of that. And of course, top dollar for your trade. So thanks for watching as always. Come check it out. Let us know how we can earn your business.